Welcome to this instructional video on how to create and manage a new content policy in MEDIAL. You might want to do this to archive library content and free up storage space. First, I'll show you how to create a new policy. Log into your MEDIAL account and head to Content Policies. Select New to create a new policy. First, you need to name your policy. I will demonstrate by using a common example of creating a content policy to archive all student submissions from the 2024 to 2025 academic year. Once you have filled in your new policy name and description, head to Period to set the start and end date. For this example, I will set Created Before to September 1st, 2025 and Created After to September 1st, 2024. You also have the option to select the Not Played Since button to archive any content that hasn't been played since the specified date. You could also choose to archive any content that has been played less than a specified number of times in the last year. If the value is set to 0, this will be ignored. You can choose your LMS platform if this applies to you. The next important step in creating your policy is to apply it to a specific user or category. Select this button and choose the group your new content policy applies to. In my example, I will select students. Next, scroll down and select your action. You could select Delete if you would like your selected content to delete straight away. However, most people will want to archive the selected content. You have the choice to permanently delete your archived content after a set amount of days. When you are happy, select Next. Here is a list of all of the content that has been set to be moved to your archived storage. You can deselect files here if necessary. You can see here how much disk space you will save by applying the policy. Press Start. Your content is now being moved to the selected archive storage. You can select Exit and the process will continue running. I will now demonstrate how to restore your files. This may be necessary. For example, if an examiner wanted to see a specific student's submission, select Restore. Here is all your archived content. To search for a specific file, you can search for the student's name, for example, and it will appear in the list below. Select the file and click on Restore. Your file is now being transferred back into your MEDIAL library. Thanks for watching this video. Now you know how to create a new content policy and manage it successfully. For more information, please visit our website at www.medial.com or contact us at support@medial.com.